Evernote versus Bear versus Amplenote. Best productivity note app for you. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Evernote, Bear, and Amplenote. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, first, let's talk about Evernote. Evernote is a well established note taking app that offers powerful features like rich text formatting, web clipping, and multi device sync. It's great for organizing large amounts of information with its tagging system and notebooks. One of its biggest advantages is its robust search functionality, which can even scan text within images and PDFs. However, Evernote's free plan has limitations, such as a two device sync limit, and its premium pricing is relatively high compared to competitors. Additionally, some users find its interface outdated and bloated with features they may not need. Now, moving on to Bear. Bear is a minimalist note taking app designed primarily for Apple users. It offers a clean, distraction free interface with powerful markdown support. The app is great for writers and those who prefer a simple but effective organization system using tags. One major advantage is its seamless sync across Apple devices via iCloud. However, Bear lacks a Windows or Android version, which limits cross platform usability. Additionally, while it offers a free version, key features like syncing and advanced export options require a subscription. Lastly, we have Amplenote. Amplenote is a relatively newer app focused on productivity and task management. It combines note taking with to do list features, making it great for users who want an all in one solution. One of its standout features is Task Score, which helps prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. It also supports backlinking, allowing for better knowledge management. However, Amplenote's interface is less polished compared to competitors, and its free plan has strict limitations on storage and features. So that's basically the main differences between Evernote, Bear, and Amplenote, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.